Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be a fun video because this is the beginning of my mellow yellow week. I pretty much decided to do this because I needed to uplift myself because I've been feeling a little down, a little funk, a little bad funk too, to where I don't want to do anything to myself. I don't want to look presentable, like I'm getting this little pregnancy funk that I usually get towards this time, and I want to break that. Yeah, I just want to break that because there's no reason to feel any funk. Like, I need to embrace this pregnancy. I need to embrace the puffiness that's going on with my face. Like, just embrace it. So I decided to just do this just for the hell of it. You guys liked the idea on Instagram. You guys liked the idea here as well, so I was like, sure, let's give it a try. So you guys pretty much voted, more of you voted for the daily upload, so we're gonna do that for the next 7 days. Your girl is gonna be coming back to you guys with a yellow inspired makeup look to go with my outfit. So that means I'm wearing yellow as well for the next 7 days. So yeah, so this is gonna be even more funner, I think, because I'm dressing up my belly, so you guys get to see the belly, you know, being cute and everything like that. And this is gonna be challenging for me because I'm refusing to buy maternity clothes, because maternity clothes, for one, is ugly, and two, you don't need it that long. Like, once the pregnancy is over, it's like, okay, what do I do with these? So I'm squeezing this big old belly of mine into my regular schmegular clothes. I didn't buy no extra clothes. These are my regular schmegular clothes, okay? So belly is going to get stuffed in some of these outfits. So I did have an epic fail already today. I had on a romper and it's just, it wasn't looking right. I probably put a picture up, but it wasn't looking right. So we're gonna go a different route with the outfit. So I haven't even tried it on, but I think I'm gonna be able to fit it. It's a bodysuit. I know, what the hell? It's a bodysuit top, but the skirt, it's a pencil skirt, and I didn't even try neither one of these items on. The skirt is kind of new because I've had it in my closet, never tried it on though, and it's a size extra large, and I usually wear a 1XL, or sometimes depending on where I get the clothing from, I have to wear a 2XL, but lately I have been a 1XL, so extra large. I'm like, girl, but it looks pretty stretchy, so we're gonna give it a try. And we're gonna do a makeup look. So let's think of something, because you got 7 days to think of yellow looks, girl. Make them neutral, make them fun, make them colorful, make them cute, okay? And I also decided, because you guys were kind of like tied in a sense on, you guys wanted me to come back and just do a combined video. So I decided to do a vlog style one, to where you guys get to see behind the scenes of me trying on clothes and having epic feels like I just talked about. And you guys will see that, of course, once I'm done with my makeup looks for the next 7 days. So that would be on day number 8. Yes, so you guys get a bonus video and you guys get to see my face every day. So I think that's a steal. Like, yeah, so make sure you come back every single day, support your girl, see what we got going on. And if you guys are following me on Instagram, definitely do that, because my little Instagram story has been very interesting. I've been uploading a little bit more frequently on there, and you guys have been loving it. So I guess I've been entertaining y'all because I'm a little cuckoo in the head. So voila, I'm recovering from a flu as well. So thank you guys for all, wait a minute. So thank you guys so much for all the prayers and stuff. Yes, your girl had to recover. That was horrible. So I had pneumonia and the flu together, and I am an asthmatic, so all that combined with being pregnant. So I'm still recovering from it, although it's been 4 days since I've been out the hospital, but your girl been recovering from it. I was in there for 3 days, and I definitely got to do a story time on that, so I'll probably do that on my other channel when I do my next pregnancy update, because that was horrible. It was horrible within itself. Just a brief backstory about it. I was only in there for 3 days, but that definitely could have been prevented if they would have given me my medication. But the second day of me being there, they were refusing to give me my to give me the medication that I needed for my body, which was weird. It's like I have insurance, so I wasn't asking for things for free. I knew my insurance was going to take care of it, but they were just refusing. They kept making excuses like, oh, the doctor hasn't approved it yet. And I think what it was is that one of the nurse who I kind of like got into it with, she didn't like the fact that I was more educated about my medicine than she was. So I guess she felt like I was doing, I was a know-it-all in a sense, and it was not. And I didn't want to come off as a know-it-all because I don't know it all. But when it comes to my condition, I know what my body feels and I know what my body wants to make me feel right. And she just was refusing the medication. So I gotta do a story time on that, because y'all, that was a hot mess. I felt like, honestly, I felt like if I wasn't going to die, I felt like I was going to have a miscarriage in there, because they were just a shithole of, like, I would never go there again. Never, ever, ever. So y'all look forward to that story time because it's a long one, okay? But anywho, let's jump right into this look. I need some brightness. I need some sunshine. I need some uplifting because you're gonna need it. So I have 2 palettes, well actually 3 palettes. I don't know what we're gonna do. I just grabbed them. I got the Notepad palette. I got this palette by ColourPop. And then I also got this one as well. So we're gonna do a yellow look for sure because that's what's in these palettes. I kind of want to lean towards this one for some reason. Yeah, so let's go with this palette. Yes, let's start off with this pretty like matte yellow. I want to put that in my crease as a transition color. Let's start her off. I think I grabbed the wrong kind of brush, but we're gonna make this work. So with this yellow, you definitely have to take your time and build it up. But once you do build it up, y'all, this yellow is absolutely beautiful. So I'm just taking my time. And now I'm just trying to blend out the edge part, because we don't need that to be harsh. That's not cute. So just taking a little bit of this and blending it out. And the brush that I'm using is my Morphe 519 brush. It's my favorite blending brush. Alright, so I'm going to add a little bit of brown in my crease. I'm going to go in with this brown right here. I'm just going to place it right underneath that yellow. I definitely don't want to lose this yellow eyeshadow because it's so pretty. I am doing a cut crease, so I'm just making sure that I have a pretty color that's in my crease that makes it look more defined than just this yellow. If I need to reapply some of the yellow, I will do so. And then I'm going to go back and blend it out. I'm going to keep blending these 2 colors out because this yellow is kind of hard to blend with this brown. You got to really make sure that these are blended correctly, like perfection. And then I'm going to cut my crease off camera. And I'll jump right back into this look. So I'll be right back, boo. Alright, so I also decided to see, I need a little bit more definition. So I'm going to go back in with that palette. I'm going to lightly take this color because it's such a rich dark brown. I'm going to take that and I'm only going to place it in the outer part only of my crease. So I just want to deepen up that brown because I forgot that by me mixing that other brown with this yellow, it's coming off a little bit on the orangey side and it's not that pigmented. So like I said, halfway in my crease with that. Then I'm going to buff it out with the other colors again. Alright, now I'm going to cut my crease off camera after I finish blending all these colors together again. Alright, so my cut crease is cut. I did really good today. Today's a good day. So, alright, so now moving along to Honey. I'm going to take this really soft yellow color right here. Pretty much just going to pack that all over my lid. I just want to make sure that this is not creasing. And then I'm going to put this all over my lid. I will say this yellow is definitely more brighter than what I expected it to be, because in the eyeshadow pen it looks a little bit more like a lighter yellow, but this pigmentation is like surprising the crap out of me. This palette is like, okay, cool, boo. I don't think I ever used this palette yet. If I have, I probably used like one eyeshadow, but I don't think I've used this palette yet. But I'm just placing that yellow all over the lid. And then I think I'm gonna put a little bit of that dark brown in my outer part just to make this crease a little bit more blending looking. You do get a lot of fallout though, I will say that. I want to do a little bit something extra, so I'm gonna take a little bit of a gold liner, and I'm kind of gonna go probably all the way across with my cut crease. I'm gonna try not to mess this up because I usually go heavy-handed with these glitter liners. So I'm gonna do a little at a time. The reason I'm doing that is because I feel like the yellow and then the crease color, you can still tell it's a cut crease without me doing this, but I want it to look a little bit more defined, and I'm just extra, so why not? So I'm gonna wing my liner off camera and then do the rest of my face and then come back in for the eyes. Wait, I lied, I forgot. I just told y'all that I want to put a little bit more of that brown in the outer part, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to do more of the lighter brown first. Put it in the outer part, and then the chocolate. And as for the bottom part of my lash line, I think I'm just gonna do brown. Like, I don't want to do yellow on the bottom lash line. I think that's just doing too much, way too much. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of some Juvia base, and I'm just gonna put it right there on the bottom lash line. And then we're going to take a little bit of, I'm going to go in with this light brown. Pop that on my lash line. And then for my inner pop, I'm going to take a little bit of this yellow shimmery gold color right in my inner. And then I'm going to do the rest of my face, pop on some lashes, and then come back and do something with my lips. Y'all know I'm doing a new lip. No other. I'm doing a new lip. I'm going to start off with COLOURPOP. And this is a new COLOURPOP gloss, I think. Gloss lipstick. Something like that. Lip cream. Lip cream. Camera don't want to capture, but it's a pretty pink color. This is a really pretty combo. So it dries up semi-matte. So it's a really pretty color. Y'all know me. I need my gloss. I need my gloss. We're going in with So Juicy by COLOURPOP. Can't tell me nothing with these lips. Alright, so this completes the look. I really do love how everything came out. Y'all, this highlight. This highlight. Y'all want that Pranko glow, get this highlighter. Like, this is like one of my all-time favorite highlighters ever by Morphe. Like, it's my favorite. It's called Extra. Y'all need to get her in your life. But overall, this look is beautiful. I love the pop of the yellow on the eyes, and I love how everything is just kind of like flowing, like balancing out. So yes. Oh, and let me show you guys that cute little outfit. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out how to do this, because when I have it on my tripod, my camera, it's kind of hard to get like a full length look of my outfit. So I might have to insert video clips from my phone because you can really see it. But yeah, I think I'm gonna do that instead. So I'm just gonna insert that over here. It's just a white button bodysuit that I got from Shein, and then this beautiful button down pencil skirt is from Amazon. Y'all don't sleep on Amazon. Amazon got some really cute pieces that you can piece together in your collection, like really they do. And this is my first time trying out everything. This is my first time with the shirt, the skirt. None of this stuff is like actually new, but I just never wore it. So gave myself an excuse to wear some yellow and put this pieces together, and it's just absolutely beautiful. So I don't plan on going anywhere, so I don't know what kind of shoes I will wear with this. Probably some white sandals. I'm a sandal girl. I don't do heels, not because of my pregnancy. Me and heels do not get along. So I'm overall a sandal girl. So if y'all don't see me talk about my shoes, just picture some sandals. Okay, that's all you gotta worry about. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are going to enjoy the next 6 looks that's going to happen. So excited to see what I come up with, and you know, the outfit pieces, because this outfit is like really cute. It's giving me chill vibes with a little bit of sophisticated look, and I really like that. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Let me know how you guys feel about the makeup look, okay, and definitely the outfit. And leave me all that feedback down at the bottom. And of course, I'll see you guys tomorrow. So come back tomorrow. Tomorrow we're back with another yellow mellow look with the outfit to match, okay? See you guys tomorrow. Have a beautiful day. Stay blessed. Stay amazing.